Dear students, in this video, we are going to study about custom duty with IGST. Let us see one problem. The assessable value of an article imported from UK, United Kingdom, is rupees 4 lakh. The basic custom duty is 10%, and social welfare charge is 10%. The integrated tax livable under Section 3, subsection 7 of the Customs Tariff Act is 12%. Calculate the amount of total custom duties and IGST. So we need to calculate the amount of total custom duty as well as the IGST. So the heading will be computation of custom duty and integrated tax payable thereon. We need to prepare 3 columns: particulars, inner column rupees, and outer column rupees. So in particulars, assessable value of article imported. So what is the value of article imported? That is 4 lakh rupees. Then basic custom duty. Basic custom duty on the article is 10%. So of 4 lakh, 10% it is 40,000 rupees. Then they have added social welfare surcharge. Okay, social welfare charge surcharge. They are told that it is also 10%. Now this social welfare charge will be charged on basic custom duty. So basic custom duty is 40,000. So social welfare charge is 10% of basic custom duty, that is 40,000. So we will get 4,000. So total custom duty is 44,000. So we need to add both 40,000 plus 4,000, that is 44,000. So this will be written in the outer column with the name as total custom duty after rounding off. Now we need to do the total of 4 lakh plus 40,000, 44,000. That will be total value before integrated tax. That is 4 lakh 44,000. Now out of that, they told us that integrated tax is 12%. So 4 lakh 44,000 of that 12% is 53,280 rupees. Now 4 lakh 44,000 in that particular amount, that is total value before integrated tax plus the value of integrated tax, that is 53,820 rupees added, we are going to get 4 lakh 97,280 rupees. So custom duty we got is 44,000 and integrated tax we got is 53,280 rupees. Let us see one more problem. The assessable value of the goods imported by Mr. Sugam from USA is rupees 2 lakh. The goods attached the following duties of the custom. The basic custom duty is 10%. IGST is payable at 12%. GST compensation cess is 15%. Social welfare surcharge at 10%. You are required to calculate total custom duty, the IGST, and GST compensation cess. So the heading of this problem will be computation of custom duty and integrated tax or GST compensation cess. So now again, assessable value of the goods imported, which is given, that is 2 lakh rupees. Basic custom duty, that is 10% of 2 lakh, 20,000 rupees. Social welfare charge. So how do we find this? 10% of basic custom duty, that is 20,000. Of that 10%, you will get 2,000 rupees. Now 20,000 plus 2,000, it is 22,000 rupees. We need to do the total of both the things, 20,000 plus 2,000. So the total we will get is 22,000. So the total custom duty after rounding off, we will get is 22,000. So 2 lakh plus 22,000, we will get 2 lakh and 22,000. That is total value before integrated tax. Next is integrated tax livable under Section 3, subsection 7 of Custom Tariff Act. Okay, that is 2 lakh 22,000 at 12%. It is 26,640 rupees. Now in this amount, we need to add GST compensation cess. So how do we add it? They told us that 15% is GST compensation cess. Okay, now total value before integrated tax 2,22,000. Of that 15%, that is 33,300. We need to do the total of all these things, that is 2,22,000 integrated tax plus 26,640 integrated tax livable and 33,300 GST compensation cess. So the total landed cost we will get is 2,81,940 rupees. So what will be the custom duty? The custom duty is 22,000 is the custom duty. Integrated tax we need to pay is 26,640 and GST compensation is 33,300 rupees. Let us see one more problem. The assessable value of the goods imported is rupees 20,000. The goods attract the following duties of custom. Basic custom duty is 10%. Countervailing duty under section 3 subsection 1 is 15%. IGST is payable at 18%. Social welfare charge at 10%. Now you are required to calculate total custom duty and the IGST. Okay, we need to calculate total custom duty and IGST. So here there is a note that we need to understand. Under GST, countervailing duty has been replaced by IGST. Okay, earlier countervailing duty was there, it has been replaced as IGST with the exceptions of few products. The guidance note issued by CBEC contains annexure 1 in which 4 cases have been given. The third case in the guidance note illustrates the imposition of duties where product attracts both CVD and IGST. The given illustration is based on the same concept. So actually whenever the GST has implemented, the concept of countervailing duty has been replaced. But there are exceptions to few products where both the things like IGST as well as countervailing duty is applicable. Now the current given illustration is the example of that same thing, where countervailing duty as well as the other duty is also applicable. Okay, now let us solve this problem. Computation of custom duty and integrated tax. So how do we calculate custom duty? As we have seen in the previous videos, assessable value of goods imported, we need to know that is 20,000 already given in the problem. Basic custom duty, that is 10% he has given. So of 2 lakh 10% means, sorry, of 20,000 10% means 2,000 rupees. In this add CVD. Okay, we need to add CVD. So CVD on what? On assessable value plus basic custom duty. We need to add both. That is 20,000 plus 2,000. So we will get 22,000. Of that 15% is 3,300 rupees. Now after that, social welfare surcharge. He has given you that is 10%. Now social welfare surcharge, how do we find this? We need to add both basic custom duty plus countervailing duty. That is 2,000 plus 3,300 will get 5,300. Of that 10% he has given us social welfare surcharge 530 rupees. Now add all 2,000 plus 3,300 plus 530 rupees. So that becomes total custom duty. The amount is 5,830 rupees total custom duty. Now we need to find out total value for levy of integrated tax. Okay, the total value for levy of integrated tax is 20,000 plus 5,830 rupees. So the total value is 25,830 rupees. Now in this GST he has told as 18%. Okay, GST at 18% of the total value, that is 25,830 rupees. So the value we will get is 4,649 rupees. Now we need to do the total. 25,830 rupees total value before leave of integrated tax, add IGST, that is 4,649 rupees. So the total landed cost of this particular assessable value is 30,479 rupees. That is the total landed cost. So the total custom duty we found is 5,830 rupees. That is total custom duty. Integrated tax is 4,649 rupees. Okay, integrated tax is 4,649 rupees. Let us see one more problem. Determine